The Chevy Cruze is probably the most popular vehicle in the subcompact compact segment of the GM line. What makes this vehicle so popular? Well, number one is its sporty look. Number two, its great fuel economy. And number three is its luxurious interior. This gorgeous 2016 Chevy Cruze Premier is one of the newest pieces of inventory at Oliver Motors. Oliver Motors picked up this gorgeous 2016 red Chevy Premier and added a couple things to give it its unique look. A bug shield on the front. Black painted wheels all the way around, just to highlight that gorgeous red paint job. As we look underneath the hood, the Chevy Cruze is powered by an EcoTech 4-cylinder. Everything that you need to check or fill is easily accessible right up on top. Safety features like crumple points, drop-away motor mounts, and of course front and rear bumpers, 5-mile-an-hour bumpers, help add to what makes this thing a safe, economical car. When looking at the vehicle itself, the sportiness is brought on by the long, sleek headlamps, that aggressive grille, and fog lamps. As we walk around, blinkers are built into the side mirrors. Going into the driver's side, black interior, power mirrors, power locks, power windows. This is a red on black car. You do have a black leather interior. Heated driver's seat, power driver's seat. One of the things I was very impressed with is as I got inside the car, all the extra features that you wouldn't expect in this small subcompact segment. On the left-hand side of the steering wheel, not only is there the cruise control built in, but also lane departure, which will let you know if someone is coming up behind you in a blind spot or on your sides. It also has heated steering wheels. On the right-hand side, you have your hands-free capabilities and your radio controls. The push-button start gives you a great light-up display. The big screen of the radio, your climate controls, your heated seats on both sides, OnStar capabilities, automatic transmission. And one of the things I was very impressed with was a cell phone charging station built into the center. So as you're driving down the road, if you do not have the capability of either a USB cord or a phone charger, you can drop your cell phone in here, and most makes and models will charge right from the center. Your center armrest, which opens up into another storage compartment. A very decent sized glove box. It does have the owner's manual. As we move around to the back of the car, as I said, one of the things I was impressed with the Chevy Cruze line is that for a subcompact compact car, it does have a lot of room. 3-person capability in the back seats. If 2-person, the center will fold down for an armrest and 2 cup holders. You can also drop the seats down for a 60-40 split, giving you access to the trunk. Going around the back of the car. the heads away trunk lid, which makes it easy to get inside the large trunk. And again, for the small compact segment, a large amount of storage compartment in the back trunk area. Underneath is going to be your spare tire and your jack assembly. Topping it all off, you do have that rear spoiler, which gives it just that little extra something for that sporty look. If you are looking for this beautiful 2016 Chevy Premier, you can visit www.olivermotors.com to see more pictures, get more information, or to apply online. Otherwise, stop by one of our 2 convenient locations, 315 South Boulevard, Baraboo, or 246 West Main Street, downtown Sun Prairie.